In this video, I show you how to fix messages keep stopping on Android. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for messages, tap on messages, update messages if available any update version. Now go to home screen, then go to settings, then go to apps, tap on see all apps. Now search for messages, tap on messages, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now open messages app. Now I hope that this method fix messages keep stopping problem on Android phone.